Hello guys, welcome to my mini physics studio. So for today we're going to be solving a physics regents question from the New York regents. So this question is taken from the regents of June 2012. So actually this question is related to momentum, force, a lot of things combined together, and it's worth 2 points on the regents, 2 good points on the regents. So calculate the time required for a 6,000 Newton net force to stop a 1,200 kilogram car initially traveling at 10 meters per second. So let's first of all start off by writing everything we have, because in this little paragraph that we have, they gave us a lot of information. So let's just jot them down. So force equals 6,000 Newton. What else is given? Mass is given, so mass equals 1,200 kilograms kg, and also velocity is given. Velocity equals, remember, velocity is a vector quantity because it has a direction. So velocity equals 10 meters per second. However, time is not given, which is what we're trying to find. Time equals don't know. So in terms of the equation to use for this, we will have to go to a reference table to find under mechanics to find an equation that best fits for this. However, there are several ways to do this. You could use F equals ma to find the acceleration, since we already know what m and a is. Force is 6,000 Newton equals m is 1,200 kilograms a. Then you can find what a is. So this divides 1,200 kilograms by 1,200 kilograms. So this cancels this out. So what we're left with is A equals which is acceleration equals 6,000 divided by 1,200. Take out my calculator, even though I could kind of get it. 6,000 divided by, I think it's 2 or 5. 6,000 divided by 1,200. 5. Oh, I had it right. So 5 meters per second squared. So after finding acceleration, we could know that acceleration equals change in velocity over time. So 5 meters per second equals 10 over time, which we don't know. So 5t. So we cross multiply in order to find t. So we got 5 meters per second t. 5. In fact, I need more space. So we go over here. So we got 5 meters. 5 meters per second t. 5 meters per second t equals 10. Divide both sides with 5 meters per second. Divide by 5 meters per second. Cross out. So T gives us, remember this is meters per second. So meters per second. So T gives us 2 seconds. 5 divided by 2. So T equals 2 seconds. 2 seconds is the answer for this question. 2 seconds. However, there's another way to do it. You're not only limited to this way. There are several different ways to do this, and we're going to